Finding an affordable laptop? Check out our upgraded Dell 113189 touchscreen Chromebook Education 2-in-1 into Windows OS. It has Intel Celeron processor and 3060 partnered with 16 SSD and 4GB RAM. Its hardware peripherals consists of its 11.6 inches screen size, having Intel HP graphics. It has two USB ports, HDMI port for extra display with volume switch on the other side, and power button with headphone jack. It can stay up for 5 to 6 hours of use internet surfing, Netflix, draw, or any casual computer use. Guess what? It has free Microsoft Office and GTA Vice City that you can play. Upgraded Dell 113189 touchscreen Chromebook Education 2-in-1 that can flip, portability at its finest. Get yours now.